Cosmelan, the world's leading professional pigmentation removal method. Trust the leader. More than 1 million patients treated all over the world support the efficacy of the method for all types of skin and all ethnic origins. Strict quality standards and numerous in vivo efficacy studies demonstrate excellent skin safety and tolerance, followed by visible results from the first week of treatment and long-lasting effects. How it works. Its exclusive formula effectively treats the process involving the formation of dark spots by providing a twofold action, regulating the production of melanocyte and eliminating the melanin formed in order to visibly correct pigmentation irregularities. The Cosmelan method comprises of an in-clinic phase and 3 phases at home, all of which are key for fully and effectively eradicating the pigmentation problem. Following personalized diagnosis, phase 1 of the method, the consultation phase, can commence. This is the intensive depigmentation phase. The products needed for the consultation session are contained in the Cosmelan pack. Oil removing solution. It helps to remove excess oil from the surface of the skin to improve absorption and allow homogeneous results. Apply to clean, dry skin with a gauze. Cosmelan 1 Facial Mask. This face mask contains a high concentration of active ingredients. Its formula accelerates cell renewal on the surface of the skin, effectively eliminating existing melanin deposits and intensively acting on the blemish formation process. Apply a thick layer over the whole face, not just the pigmented areas. Leave it on for the recommended number of hours according to phototype, severity of blemishes, and skin type. It's important to keep the face mask moist throughout the application time. A water spray can be used to stop the product from drying out. During the application time, the patient must avoid direct sunlight and heat. Once the application time determined by the skincare professional has finished, the patient will remove the Cosmelan 1 face mask at home. To do this, the patient must rinse their face with plenty of water until all traces have been removed. 48 to 72 hours after removing the face mask, the patient should continue with phase 2 of the at-home regimen, with a duration of 1 month. This second phase of treatment is intensive and represents the continuous depigmentation phase. Cosmelan 2 Depigmenting Cream. The main product of the at-home treatment is Cosmelan 2, a potent depigmenting cream that keeps working to eliminate existing melanin deposits, lightening blemishes day after day and preventing their reappearance. Apply to clean, dry skin, evenly covering the whole face 3 times a day, morning, midday, and evening. Melan Recovery. After Cosmelan 2 treatment, it is necessary to apply Melan Recovery in the morning, at midday, and in the evening to restore the skin's hydrolipid film, protect the skin, and relieve tightness. Melan 130 Plus Pigment Control. To complete the treatment, it is essential to protect the skin from direct sunlight and UV radiation. During this treatment phase, new skin is more vulnerable to sunlight. Apply the sun protection every morning and reapply at midday. During the second at-home phase, the patient should visit the skincare professional halfway through the phase, 10 to 15 days after starting treatment. This is important to assess the patient's progress during these initial intensive phases and to modify the intensity of treatment based on the patient's individual response. The Phase 3 at-home application regimen should be repeated, but the application of Cosmelan 2 and Melan Recovery should be limited to 1 application in the morning and 1 in the evening. The third phase of the method is the melanocyte re-education phase, aimed at regulating melanin production. The fourth phase of the method is necessary to prevent the reappearance of existing blemishes and the appearance of new blemishes. It involves applying Cosmelan 2 and Melan Recovery only at night and Melan 130 Plus Pigment Control in the morning and at midday. Cosmelan, the world's leading professional pigmentation removal method. Trust the leader.